Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. In this video, I'm going to share, or I'm showing you how to make handwriting effects or typewriting effects in KineMaster or KineMaster. So first, let's go to the KineMaster application, tap on it. Alright, so just give me a second here, it's still loading, and then from here just tap continue, and then select the plus sign at the right side, at the left side, and then you should select the ratio of the projects. I will choose 16:9. There you go. Now if you don't have any background images, so you can go to Google Chrome, you can search free images like white background or any colors, and then you can simply download it and save it to your phone. So I already downloaded my background images, so let's go to media, and then from here photos. So go to layer and then tap on text, layer text, and then welcome to my YouTube channel. There you go. And then let's change naman yung natin ng color, font, ibang font maganda. I don't know which one. I think I can choose this one. Alright, and then from here go to in animation, and then look for wipe right. There you go, and then down below there will be 0.1, 0.5, 1, 1.5 ratio. So you can select like 2. There you go. So have you noticed, napansin niyo yung text niya para siyang typewriter or parang handwriting. So that's how you create or make handwriting or typewriting effects in KineMaster.